I'm gonna get.
Okay, everyone, now I would like to introduce you a great wheel alignment. You know that the wheel alignment is very important for any repair shops because it can ensure a great driving experience. It can provide you with the optimal drivability. Besides that, with the alignment of the wheels, it can also ensure a longer tire life as well. So today, I would like to introduce you with our PL-3D-5555U. This is also one of the star products of our company because we know that this product has a very high precision. Before, the customers, they will not believe that this precision can be so high and so good. But after they try these products and compare to the products from the USA or Italy, and they find out that the balance groups alignment, it is really great. Now I would like to move to this wheel alignment and let our engineer, Mr. Fan, to operate on this machine. And then I would like to ask all of you to have a closer look, and we will explain to you. Thank you very much. Now please follow me. 小芬现在可以操作了，然后每一步都解释给我听。Okay, now please look at on this screen. 每一步介绍。第一步是什么？ So the first step, we would like to start the procedure. 你要不停地说话。Okay, so now let's look at this.
测试目标板是否正常工作。
So the first step is to test whether it is operation. Yeah.
进入程序。
Now it comes into the procedure.
选择车型。
This is a time for you to select the right car models. We have the database here and so many different car models. Try to find the right one. 继续。
找到合适的车型。
So we find the right car models. This one is Audi Q7.
OK， 确认车型。
And confirm. Tap on confirm, and then we comes into the next step.
原始车时
Here we have the original data. This is the factory default data of this car model.
进入车辆。
Now it comes to the measurement.
首先要把方向盘。
The first step it is that we have just fixed the steer. Now, please follow every step of our engineer. It is very easy to operate.
这样进行是推车动作。
Now we have to move the car. Please have a closer look.
叫小吴过来把教练取了，
So, okay, here.
顺便帮我开一下。
So now we start to move this vehicle. Follow the move of our engineer. Yeah, so please come here.
拿到了没有？
So, okay, now we have to start that. Move. Okay, so you see that we can operate on this interface. It's very easy to understand with a lot of different figures here.
现在出示的就是需要调节的数据。
And these numbers are those ones you need to adjust it. All the data you need to adjust it are already displayed here.
操作工会跟着这个数据去。
And the operator, when they operate on this equipment, they will just follow all the instructions which are very clear on this interface.
这个还带自动追踪。
And this also has an automatic tracking system.
上升。
It can auto track for the cars to go up or down. So now let's see how we are operation. See, our engineers tapping the button and then we lift the car. Okay, now we would like to show you how we can control on this control console so that the car will move up and down. Very easy. Okay, let's show you once again because this is a very important feature. Okay, now it's time for us to operate that once again. Okay, start. And then press the button. Very easy. See, the car has been lifted to a certain height. Very smoothly, very stable. This is one of the most reliable machines we have in our factory.
举升机上升，后面
Okay.
会自动上升。
When the car lift is moving up, and those cameras are tracking automatically, and they will also move up automatically as well. See, now we are descending. Okay, now we move to the next part. Here, follow the interface. 下一步是什么? Okay, now look at here. Tap here, and then we come to inspecting the tire pressure.
需要侧方向盘，
Now we have to test the steer.
侧方向盘前要把转角盘的插销拔了。
And also here, we added the visual 3D wheel alignment. These are all the operation procedures. So when you get this equipment from us, because the interface has already shown you almost all the instructions, so it's very easy to follow. You can save a lot of time on training your people. Okay, now we finished the introduction of this wheel alignment. We would like to see a great partner of this wheel alignment, the lift. Because here we have ultra-thin scissor lift, which is a great partner of wheel alignment. And the feature of this is to ditch this. You don't need to do any trench work. So you don't need to do the trench work on any ground. So that is very fit for all kinds of different repair shops. So you can fit for the surface, ground, and structure of almost all kinds of structures. So that can fit for different workshops, especially for the mid and end users. Because when they want to do the installation work or the operation work on the ground, that really take much work, right? Especially for those floors that has already been decorated. So now you can have a closer look of this ultra-thin scissor lift. The minimum height is only 200 millimeters. And now we can descend this machine for you to have a closer look. So this height, 200 millimeters, that can meet for almost all kinds of different car models, especially for those ultra low chassis. Okay, so we will wait slowly, see, for this lift to descend to the ground. Okay, see here, the installation on this ground now, this is only 200 millimeters, really ultra thin. The biggest characteristics which can attract a lot of customers is that it is the best partner for the wheel alignment. The reason for that, I will share with you. So first of all, let's see here. Okay, so this is adjustable cover. Okay, so now I would like to ask the engineer to show it for us. Oh, this is the turntable here. Have a closer look. The turntable is to work together with the operation of wheel alignment, and they can reduce the abrasion of the wheels. So, okay, now let's look at on the back or the rear part of the car. So here, okay, we have a side slip. I will ask our engineer to show it to you, the side slip. So this is also work together with the wheel alignment. So we'll cooperating with the height of the D40B, so that can ensure high accuracy of our measurement data. So it can really help you to get to your customer and win the customer. And that is the best helper to the well alignment. And also the best helper in your workshop. Now, let's go back to their main characteristics, especially for the customers in the Europes. So we know that safety it is the biggest concern for these customers. For the D40B, it can do a lot of things. So now I would like to ask our engineer to show us the maximum height. Now we strictly control the height, and the maximum height can be 1,700 millimeters. Now let's wait and have a closer look. Okay, the camera will show you the height switch, the height limiter switch, height limiter switch. So, Mr. Fang, could you please show us where is the height limiter switch? So, when this vehicle is lifted to 1,700 millimeters, we will have this height limiter switch to ensure that it will not move up beyond the limit so that we can avoid the damage. Secondly, we also have the descending switch. And then I would like to ask our engineer to show us about the position. And the camera will give you a very clear look of this secondary limiter switch. So just follow our engineer. So this is the one for the secondary descending. And the main function is that when this whole car lift has been lowered to 300 millimeters, we can ensure that the operators can see that whether there are any obstacles that they need to move away necessary. So that is a very important guarantee for safety. Okay, now I would like to ask Mr. Fan to show you how is the magnetic descending function. Okay, here is moving slowly, 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 descending slowly, slowly, slowly. We can see that is quite stable, and the two platforms can move synchronously with each other. So let's pay close attention. When it's 350 millimeters, it will be alarm, automatic alarm. So see, you will hear the alarm. This is the function of the automatic alarming. Okay, we'll just stop like here. And our safety valve is also a must, which has been equipped on every type of our equipment, safety valve. The function of the safety valve is to ensure that after the speed of the descending can be very slow, and ensure that all the operators' safety. So when people are working under or beneath this vehicle, we can ensure their safety. This is the safety valve, highly security. So now I would like to show you the optoelectric switch. A lot of people don't know what are they for. So I would like to ask you to show us where is the optoelectric switch. So after the car lifted to a certain height, our engineer will show us. So during the moving up and down, so see here, with the control of the optoelectric, once we find that these two things are not moving synchronously or are not on the same leveling limit, so this one will ensure the safety. So please come here to take a closer look of the optoelectric switch. Yeah, here. Okay, now we would like to give you a demo. This is an infrared sensor. So if you put something as an obstacle and that the sensor could not feel the infra, see what will happen. Yeah. So you have already had see that very clearly, right? Okay, lastly, there's another very important feature. Let's see the safety lock. So here, this one, yeah. So what is the function of the safety lock? This one, it is also one of the core parts of the safety and security of the whole vehicle. With this one, we can fix or lock the equipment at any position. See how we're operating that. So every equipment have these double teeth jaws. I would like to ask our engineer to show you where are the jaws. So it's here, which can ensure that when our people are operating that, it can ensure a very stable stop and quite reliable. So you don't need to worry about the safety anymore. So this is the introduction of that. Thank you very much for your watching.
D40B is an above-ground alignment lift with a minimum height of 180 millimeters. It is equipped with abrasion-resistant slip plates for four-wheel alignment. D40B is a CE certificated lift. Let's see some safety points of it. It has safety descending stop and height limit switch. The following are the optional configuration. Turntable, the position is adjustable and can be suitable for various vehicles. The photoelectric switch can monitor the level of platforms. LED light is available. Rolling jacks is optional. Manual control, pneumatic control, and electric control available. This is the electric rolling jack. Now you can see the manual rolling jack, controlled by a manual hydraulic pump. The length of the telescopic arm is maximum 1,600 millimeters. The height of the adjustable lifting tray is 30 to 65 millimeters. Now lift the vehicle with the electric rolling jack. Let us check the 3D wheel alignment. It's the best couple for wheel alignment lift. It has high accurate, and it is very stable, and no perform calibration is needed at any time. The camera bar tracks 4 targets automatically, more convenient and widespread measurement in a shorter time. Roll the vehicle to complete the compensation quickly to get the measurement data in 2 minutes.
Okay, safety, safety, safety. D40B is definitely the best choice for any mid or large sized of the repair shops. One machine for multiple uses. It can ensure that it's of the inspections and they're of the tire changer, all kind of different functions, so the camera can move with us. So for D40B, it can work together with the rolling jack. So now we will move into the rolling jack. So here we have 2 rolling jacks. the secondary rolling jacks, and we will ask our engineer to operate on the rolling jack so we have a more clear understanding. So positioning, and then moving up, moving, very convenient. So here, this rolling jack can provide our users with the services of the demounting of the tires. So just follow our engineer. Okay, here, look at here, this is a function of our vehicle, of our rolling jack. Now, moving to the front, let's see here with the two rolling jack, how we work on this equipment. So here, this one is electrical control. And also, on the rear side, we also have one is manual control. I would like to ask our engineer to use the manual control secondary rolling jack, and you will have an idea how it is used. The manually controlled. Here. This manually controlled secondary rolling jack is really quite convenient because they can buy it back and install by themselves. Okay, these are the main functions of D40B. Our D40B has provided with you great platforms and which can be suitable for all types of vehicles and high precision, high safety, and definitely suitable for your workshop. Best choice, don't miss it. Thank you very much for watching. If you really want to learn more about our products, please click on our product list on the left side, and then you can come to talk with our sales representative with a one-to-one chat. Thank you very much. Thank you.
D40B is an above-ground alignment lift with a minimum height of 180 millimeters. It is equipped with abrasion-resistant slip plates for four-wheel alignment. D40B is a CE certificated lift. Let's see some safety points of it. It has safety descending stop and height limit switch. The following are the optional configuration. Turntable, the position is adjustable and can be suitable for various vehicles. The photoelectric switch can monitor the level of platforms. LED light is available. Rolling jacks is optional. Manual control, pneumatic control, and electric control available. This is the electric rolling jack. Now you can see the manual rolling jack, controlled by a manual hydraulic pump. The length of the telescopic arm is maximum 1,600 millimeters. The height of the adjustable lifting tray is 30 to 65 millimeters. Now lift the vehicle with the electric rolling jack. Let us check the 3D wheel alignment. It's the best couple for wheel alignment lift. It has high accurate, and it is very stable, and no perform calibration is needed at any time. The camera bar tracks 4 targets automatically, more convenient and widespread measurement in a shorter time. Roll the vehicle to complete the compensation quickly to get the measurement data in 2 minutes.